talk about using number lines to solve elapsed time problems. So elapsed time is all about a clock. I'm going to draw a clock here. 12, 3, 6, 9, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And you would have your hands here too. So I'm sure that if you have a clock in your hand, you could move it around and count how many minutes have passed between one time and another. The only problem is you won't always have a clock with you, and it takes a long time. And one thing that we want to do in math is get better at working more quickly so that we can think about a whole bunch of different parts of the problem instead of spending all our time just solving the basic equations. So if you look at a clock, you'll see that it has numbers on a line, but that line is curved around in a circle. So what we're going to do is open that line up and make a flat number line. The beginning of the number line is going to be our hour. Let's say we're working with 5 o'clock. And the end of our number line is going to be the next hour, 6 o'clock. Right in the middle, we have 5:30. And then I like to count by tens. I think it's a nice, easy number to count by, but you can count by whatever makes you feel comfortable. I would caution against doing 1-minute increments because there's so many of them, it's easy to make a mistake. So let's see, that would be about there, and about there, and about there, and about there. So hopefully you can see how I took the information that would be on a clock and stretched it out into a horizontal number line. Now I'm able to solve elapsed time problems. For example, let's say that I started out at 5:05 and I was going until 5:42. And I needed to find out how much time had passed between these two times. I can use my number line to solve that problem efficiently. So not just quickly, but correctly. All right, 5:05. You notice I don't have a 5:05 on my number line, but I know that 5:05 is halfway between 5 o'clock and 5:10. So I'm going to put a dot right there and label it 5:05. 5:42, again, I don't have on my number line, but I know it's going to be 2 minutes after 5:40. So I'm going to draw 2 lines to show the 2 minutes, and I'm going to label it 5:42. Now I need to count to find the elapsed time. From 5:05 to 5:10, I know is 5 minutes. Now I get to count by tens, which I love to do. From 5:10 to 5:20 is 10 minutes, 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Let me go ahead and label these. Now I'm at 5:40, I need to go 2 minutes to get to 5:42, so I'll write my 2 minutes there. So I've got all these different times. I want to put them together, so let's add 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. I see a 30 here, that's easy. And then I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7 for a total of 37 minutes. Now some of you may be saying, well, I could have just subtracted 47 and 5 and gotten that 37 answer. And that's true, you can. That strategy will work as long as you're staying within 1 hour. But as soon as you go outside of an hour, longer than an hour, this subtraction strategy doesn't work anymore. But the number line strategy will work because you just extend your number line to show that next hour as well. I hope this was a really good introduction to using number lines to solve elapsed time problems. I've got lots of resources to help you with this in my store, so check those out. All right, thanks for watching.